Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Nolan here again, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a sales funnel to promote the Thursday night training, the TNT training for PLS. So here we go. So what we're going to do first is click on websites, and under miscellaneous you want to go to my sharing codes. Now I've already done this, but it's okay for me to show you again. The code that you want to use will be 352664-Thursday training. If you want to pause this video and write that down or type it in to this box, that'll be fine. So what you would do is just copy or type that into this box right here, and you click on submit. And once you click submit, oh well, mine is already duplicated because I already had it in there. So as you can see, the Thursday training is there. Usually it'll say code added. So now, once your code has been added, what you want to do is go to websites and click on websites again. And for this purpose of this video, I want to set that to a subdomain that I've already created called testing and my domain name. So and then you want to keep this as become a prospect for whatever I want. So now as you scroll down, one of your choices towards the top of the page will be the Thursday training sales funnel. And what you want to do is you want to click that radio button, and then you click on Save My Choice. And you get that message, setup complete. It has been successfully set up. And if you want to test that out, you would click on the link, and this would be the opt-in page that your prospects would be sent to. So it's showing a countdown of when the next training will be. And just because it's saying 5 days from now, they can still opt in because the previous training that was done the prior Thursday will still be on there. It runs 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And so your prospect can watch that one and or wait for the next live one. But if they can't catch it live, again, it's going to be on there 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It does not come down. So you click on show me. I already put my email address in here for testing purposes. I'll just skip. But usually what you would do is just click on your email address and then get in, and it'll take you to the training. 1 hour free internet marketing training every Thursday. And this is very powerful, guys. I can't stress this enough. This training every week, it is full of knowledge bombs. I'm telling you, the impactful tips that you will learn here, they are phenomenal. These are things that people who don't take the time to listen to these videos, they are not getting the advantage of learning the email marketing strategies, tips, tricks, and so forth from a trained internet marketer who's been doing it for years. So once this person gets to this website, they can either click play here to see the replay of the previous Thursday, or they can either click here and they can join you. And that's how you set up your sales funnel for promoting the Thursday night training, the TNT training. I hope this was helpful. And if you are not a part of the Power Lead system, I'd be happy to have you on my team. We can get together and we can do big things with the Power Lead system. Until next time, take it easy, guys, and leave a comment below. Click the link below. Do whatever you got to do. Let's get to it. All right. Take it easy. And one last thing before I go, the link that you just set up for the TNT training, be sure that you send that out to your existing email list. I cannot stress that enough because it's very likely that many of those people that are on your current email list aren't even attending these trainings. If you can get them in front of that hangout every week, they will upgrade. They will take action. And when they take action, you earn. It's as simple as that. So if you can get this link out to as many people as possible, it's only going to help your business. Be willing to do what other people aren't willing to do, and you will get what other people will not get. It's as simple as that, guys. Alright, well, that's all for now. Take it easy, and I'll see you next time. Again, leave a comment below. Click on my link if you're not even part of the Power Lead system yet. Join my team. Let's get moving. Let's make this happen. Alright, take it easy.